That's not a very good hiding place.
Hello everybody, it's me, Loki Noden, and this is part 5 of the Not Happy Home Designer House Flipper IRL thing that we're doing. I keep forgetting, but I'm getting there. My brain does take a while to do things. Yes, because today we have to do some measurements, we have to use a hammer, and use more hammer. So today's going to be a very hammer heavy part. If only we had a hammer shark. Hammer shark would be helpful here.
This could be the final part.
Maybe, possibly. We do still have to make a little shelf thing as well. So maybe not.
Maybe.
But we shall see. First, you've got to make sure these are both the same length. So 54 centimeters or 21 something something of your weird American feet, or 54 and 21 something something of your weird American feet also.
What about my feet?
And your feet are, let's see, perfect.
No.
Because you are adorable. Let's get into the rest of this. So we need part 5, which is this part right here, which is a fancy little part. We're going to put that up there, and then we're going to make sure that we just knock it into place like so. So basically it needs a little bit on the edge on each side. Move you back, Let's do it like there. I guess that works.
Yes.
Let's turn this around. You ought to see, yeah, that there, and then I guess we use a hammer. That simple, really. So we've got that equals that, which is right. That is equal to that, and then I hit hammer into things. So I need 5 of your finest long gals. I do have 5 of your finest long gals. Use a hammer. Again, do this safely.
With an adult.
With an adult. And,
in fact, not with an adult. Let an adult do it for you.
yes, that's actually a better idea. There you go, Loki.
Oh, wow. That was a big car.
That was a big car. I'm going to actually pre-prime the holes, which is, it's not actually something that it says, but...
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime. But yeah, basically I want, like, a little area for it to go into. A little sort of, like, dot. So I'm actually just going to not drive this in the whole way straight away. I'm just going to tap, and then that gives me like a little marking, so we can actually tap that in further. So we're going to do the same over here. Tap. Take that out again.
Knock.
Knocking on heaven's door. knock. Prime that, and knock. Again, I didn't do that well in woodworking, actually. I did better in graphic design.
I failed both.
Oh, no. I very much prefer graphic design. Graphic design is my passion, as you might say. Like, honestly, I enjoy it. Like,
my sixth form,
regardless of the meme, I do.
I think one of my sixth form tutors hated the word passion.
Oh, no.
So much so he banned the use of the word passion in all of our personal statements.
Oh, heck. That's no good. That's no good.
Apparently, the use of the word passion appears so much in personal statements, he banned the use of it in ours, in the hope that ours would stand out more.
Basically, he was not passionate about passion.
No.
You could say. One might say. Again, as I gently knock these in, because I do not want to take a pour off. And again. Knock. And one more. Knock. I am now going to have to be very loud for a second. Probably won't be able to do any commentary for this bit because I'm actually just going to have to...
I can try.
Loki, you can try. Go!
I'm trying. Oh no, what you done?
Nothing. Ignore everything. There you go.
It's not wonky. You did it.
I did it. Okay, just got to do that 5 more times. 4 more times?
Yes.
Yes.
Go. Bang. Cool.
Loud noises.
Heavy duty boobs.
Yes. The heaviest of duty boop. Each thing is a boop, 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 boop. Oh no, where'd it go?
Did you?
It ran away, it didn't want to get booped. You come back in and take your inevitable boopings!
Yes.
Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Ah!
Ah, no!
You
Flee!
will not,
Flee!
you will not flee
Flee!
before the might of me, Loki, with my hammer of justice. Imagine if Thor's hammer was just like a normal claw hammer. That'd be a very weird Marvel film.
It would.
Like, Thor is actually just a handyman. It's like a slice of life. And he just uses his hammer for really inane things. That'd be great.
Thor does 60-minute makeover.
Yes! Extra boops for luck.
Yeah.
There we go. So that is that part done. That is all done there. We've done part 11. Now onto the drawer assembly.
Yay!
Which will keep us a separate part because
Okay.
that's going to take some time. But we can actually admire how far we've gotten so far. We have this.
We do have this. It looks fun.
Admire it.
Fancy.
I know. Or you could use it as a fancy hat.
Sure. Yeah.
Fancy hat. So unfortunately it does indeed come to that shill bit of this part. If you did enjoy it, hit the follow button. And if you massively enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button. If not, perfectly fine as well. Those sorts of things can go and get there slowly. You can get there slowly. But yes, thank you so much for watching our videos, live streams and VODs. I hope you have a wonderful evening. And indeed, good night.
Yay! And a boop. There.